Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by committing. Lower your level fast so your hips are below theirs and your posture stays strong. Once down, reach with a secure 2-on-1 or collar tie and control the far arm to prevent frames. Step your lead foot inside at about a 45 degrees angle toward their knee. This creates the lane you need. Maintain a straight back and keep your head tight to the outside of their thigh because pressure and connection make the rest possible. You finish the penetration step by driving your rear knee between their legs while your head stays glued to the outside of their thigh. This positions your pelvis to control the leg. Once your arms clamp the knee, thumb behind the joint and fingers locking the calf, start chest pressure in and a short, explosive lift to break their base. Make sure to step your front foot forward as you lift, because advancing the feet converts the lift into forward momentum and collapses their balance. You finish by driving your legs forward and angling their far hip. This sends their base out from under them. Once they start to roll, turn your body to the outside and drag the trapped leg across their hips to land in top position. Make sure to lock your grip and chest pressure as you settle. If they sprawl or resist, switch immediately to a single leg dump or maintain tight control and circle to a heel hook safe position so you don't lose the advantage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.